guys, welcome back to the channel. Got the mic on. Into this video I'm going to be pretty much doing an engine bay cleaning. I'm going to show you guys right now how dirty she look. So as you guys can see, this thing is extremely dirty. The only thing on here that's clean is my filter that I just recently installed on here. It's just sitting on there nice and tight. But you guys can see the whole, there's a lot of dust here, dust there, got a lot of tree leaves and stuff over there. So pretty much I'm just going to be doing a full cleaning today and show you guys everything that I bought, that I have. Yeah, so this is everything I got for my engine bay cleaning. I got from AutoZone. You can get it from Advanced Auto Parts, whatever parts store you have. And this is not anything I recommend. It's just a basic engine bay. I wouldn't recommend anything cheap though. But this is Grout Garage engine bay cleaner degreaser. I've seen a good review about it. This is about $10. It's not cheap. Then I got, after when I'm done cleaning my engine bay, dry it off, I got the Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restore. This is actually one of them good brands too out there. And got the towels to be able to apply that on, sponge towel, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, just waiting for my car to cool down. Then pretty much, I think it sounds crazy. Dang. I think it sounds crazy. Wow. But yeah, just waiting for this thing to cool down now. Been driving it for about an hour. So once it cooled down, gonna be able to start cleaning this up. But obviously when you're doing this, you got to be smart. Obviously I got to cover this. You want to cover up. Another thing too, to be on the safe side, I'm gonna cover up these right here. That. But the main thing is the alternator. Want to be able to cover core air intake. Obviously my battery doesn't have a cover. I'm gonna have to cover my battery. But this is fine though. You could spray that on as long as it's not open. But yeah, you guys see how dirty this thing is, man. Like, definitely needs some love. Gotta clean it up. Definitely needs some love. Get those leaves up out of there. And one thing too, I wouldn't really I mean, you could do it, but you could clean up the top part, spray it down, make it look pretty. But I'm just showing you guys exactly how everything looks right now. But you definitely need to get clean though. Definitely got to get it clean. All right, y'all. So giving it a little bit of time to cool down, giving it about 30 minutes because I've been driving it. But in the meantime, normally what I normally do is check my fluids. I have checked my fluids already. Everything nice and topped off. Nice topped off, a little bit dirty. Then I'll say, if you could, get yourself a little brush once you spray on the degreaser. Just scrub like the little spots to try to get most of the stain off if you want. If not, it's not a big deal. But yeah. Can't even reach that. All prepped up. It's super windy outside. That's why I got that on top of that. Bag keep flying off. But so I got my alternator cover up. Then I got core air intake pretty much cover up. Pretty much that's about it. You when you cleaning, when you doing a full cleaning process, obviously you don't want to go too crazy and spray heavy. Just do like a little mild spray, pretty much clean up everything. But this engine bay is extremely dirty, real dirty, man. And I'm not even gonna spray here heavy. I'm just gonna do a little light load spray all around. looks a lot better now. It's not a perfect job, but definitely looks a lot better than what it was before. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. As you guys can see, looks a lot better. To wiped on this, like I showed you guys before, I used the back to black. Honestly, my first time using it, I give it like a 7 out of 10 because I mean it does shine, but it's not like to where it's like staying. Maybe I gotta apply more, or but it definitely does give like that clean look. So it's not really bad. So, but if you want to get it, you can get it. But did the job for me. I got my engine bay nice and clean, and hope you guys find this helpful. It's not a how-to. It just means strictly doing something that I've been should have done, trying to take care of my Ram, have it look nice and clean. Because since I own this truck, I never really did any kind of cleaning underneath the engine bay, so it pretty much been dirty since I owned it for about a year now. So now today I was finally able to have the chance to take my time, clean out everything the safe way. However you could go about doing it this way, or however else you want to do it, you could do it. But for me, I've been doing it. It's not my first time doing it. I did it with my last couple of Rams. The exact same way.